This is the brand that is called Noco, which is a battery pack. It comes really nice, and it comes the battery with a cable charger to recharge the battery with the wall plug, and then here you have the connectors. You use actually this one to plug in over here, so over this one here. So there is a little arrow on the top here. Let me show you. There you go. And that's the one that goes up, and you plug that in this way, right here, just this way. So one that is in, then you can connect your car. I think you plug this one first, like you hook this one first to your red end of your battery, and then this is the black one, so that's neutral, and that's a positive charge. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how it works with my car. I left my ignition on for a long time, so the battery went out, and I'm trying to have it all restarted. So I'm using these things, red to red, black to black, and then I think within 3 minutes you should be able to start the car. So we're gonna start the car. There you go. It works as intended. There you go. I'll set up. So this is a 12-volt Noco boost. It actually works. Okay. Thank you for watching.